a spacious living area. You can see how spacious it is. A kitchen area. You can see how spacious it is. See, after placing a huge king size bed, there is ample of space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushree, and today I'll be showing you 2 BHK sample flat tour of Claremont by Origin Corp. But before that, let me show you the surrounding of these projects. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual sales office of the project. Right behind me is the sales office. Now let me show you the neighborhood. So this is the main entrance. So left road leads you to the highway. Check out the neighborhood. Now, before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. Now let's start. This project is being developed on 6 acres of land parcel. Currently the phase 1 is developing in 0.39, featuring 1 tower, ground, 5 basement, 5 podium. 3 level is for the amenities, 38 is your habitable floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with Jodi options available. So here you get access to 35 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gymnasium, medical center with 24 hours doctor available, star gazing and many more. Now let's talk about the connectivity. So this project is located at Gokuldham near Oberoi Mall, Goregaon East, Mumbai. Western Express Highway is 4 minutes, metro station 4 minutes and upcoming GMLR is less than 1 minute. 5 international schools, colleges, hospitals are in a radius of 1 kilometer. Now let me show you 2 BHK sample flat with a square feet of 886. So this is a spacious living area. You can see how spacious it is. After placing 2 to 3 sofa, there is still a lot of space to walk over here. And the best part is you'll be getting an open deck area. So this is a spacious deck. You can see the length of the deck. You can easily set up your sofa swing or create your sitting area as well. It's a lot of spacious. The exact view from your deck area you'll be getting. And just in front of your living area, here's your dining area where 5 to 6 people can easily accommodate here. You can enjoy your dinner, lunch, breakfast with your family. In entire flat, you will be getting vitrified tiles for elegant look. And just in front of your dining area, this is a kitchen area. You can see how spacious it is. The amount of space to walk. You'll be getting 2-sided platform where 3 to 4 people can easily work. After opening all the cabinets, still a lot of space to roam around. So if you book on spot, you'll be getting upper cabinet and lower cabinet. And if you want, the builder can provide you a wall in between your living area and your kitchen area. And diagonally opposite to your kitchen area, here's your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Have a look to it. Now let's check out your common bedroom. So this is a common bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. So after placing a huge bed, there is still ample of space to walk over here. And also you'll be getting a space to keep your study table and your dressing table as well. And a huge space to set up your wardrobe as well. You can see. And you'll be getting a French window as well for your ventilation purpose. And with a beautiful view. You can see how spacious your common room is. Now let's move on to the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So here's Housey with the actual location tour with sample flat video, actual flat video, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features are in Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visits. Now let's check out your master bedroom. So this is a spacious master bedroom. So this is a foyer area. You can easily accommodate your furniture You can see after placing a huge king size bed, there is ample of space to walk. You can set up your TV unit as well. And there is a space to set up your dressing table. So you'll be getting a place to set up your wardrobe as well. And also you'll be getting a French window as well for your ventilation purpose. Along with this master bedroom, you'll be getting your attached washroom. Have a look to your attached washroom. You'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So in your entire home, you'll be getting a wetrified tiles, and in your washroom, you'll be getting anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So everyone, this was the complete 2 BHK sample flat tour of Claremont by Origin Corp located at Goregaon East, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochures and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housing.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.